Carson, second. Up here, you go to second. Second. Hey, you go to second up here, and then when you go in the woods, you push back down and go back to first. That's how you do it, buddy. You go to second, and up here, it'll tear your motorcycle up if you leave it in first. You've got to go to second up here, and then back down to first in the woods. It's okay. Let him go down there and turn around, buddy, okay? Kind of hard to go through that brush with the four-wheeler, okay? Think you'll make it out of there? Kind of hard going around that corner. Yeah, here he comes. though, didn't he? Can you go to second up here?
Second up here.
There, he got it.
Yeah, got it.
Put your feet back up, Carter. Thank you. Hey, Carson. Carson, listen, buddy. You're in neutral. Do you want to ride again?
No.
You're going to rest? Well, start it back up. I want you to drive it up there by the thing. You can't leave it right here. Start it up for me, and I'm going to film you. Start it up and drive it up there in first gear, okay? All right. You want to go swimming now? Yeah, I do too.